welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Google account. So the case might be you forgot your password or you forgot your email. In this case, I'll show you how you can recover even if you forget your email address. So let's get started. The very first step is open a new tab and type accounts.google.com/recovery. Or you can simply search for the account recovery, right? So if you just forget your password, you can simply put your email over here and then click next. But if you forget your email itself, so what you should to do is forget this email, click on this. So at this point, try to enter the recovery email that you have set for the account you just forget your email. Okay, so I will type my recovery email. Okay, so this is my recovery email, and on the next step they will ask you to enter your first name and last name for the account that you forget your email and password. Yeah, I know you forget email and password, but you know your first name and last name, right? So this is my first name and last name. Okay, so at this point they will ask you to send you the verification code on your recovery email. Okay, I'll just hit the send option and then I'll check this email and I'll enter the code from here. And yes, I just received the verification code, which is very recent, so I'll just copy this code and I'll enter the code over here. I think 522693. I'll just enter that. 522693. Cool. Oh, I'm 639. 522639. Okay, so once you enter this correct code, now this is the email that I was trying to recover. Now I can see it's the email address coronamarch2019 at the rate gmail, right? So I'm able to recover my email address. Now let's recover our password as well. So at this point you don't know the password, right? Just click on this forget password option. Okay, so they are asking you to enter the last password that you remember, but in this case I don't know that either. So I'll just click on this try another way. Okay, cool. So they will send you the verification code again on your recovery email and just hit the send option. Then I'll check my email again. Okay, so yeah, so this is my new verification code. I'll just copy this, and once I enter this, they will allow me to set a new password, right? Okay, now I can enter my new password. All right, okay, so once I confirm the new password, I'll hit the next. All right, so I'll just continue with everything. Okay, now I can finally, you can see my account, right? I'm signed in. So if I open my Gmail, yeah, it will be automatically signed in with this account if you opened a Gmail on a new tab. Okay, cool. You can see the whole account, how it recovered the whole account, right? Thank you so much for your time.